Okay, guys and girls, I'm shooting a quick video of this 50 with the top down, strictly to show it with the top down. The other video shows the underneath of it, the motor and everything else. I was just strictly shooting this one to show it with the top down, and I forgot to start it in the last video, so that's the only reason why I'm shooting this video. So just to show it with the top down and to start it up so you can hear it run. So like I said, it's a 2000 all aluminum Ram Air Trans Am motor with a 4L60E trans and a 10-bolt rear. So there you go, 1950 Chevy Styleline convertible. So just doing this one to show it with the top down and running.